Hello everyone, welcome to my channel segment, Ask Me, and I'll try to answer. The information of this video are from mwallpaper.com on Google search. Our topic for today is why I have loading error, server error, and connection error in Capcut. Capcut is one of the best video editor if you are editing videos to upload in social media. There are a few situations that may cause the loading issue in Android apps. Number 1, the guide for Capcut. Video editor app server may be down, and that is causing the loading issue. Please try after a few minutes. Number 2, your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection may or is not working properly. Please check your data connection. Number 3, too many users using the app at the same time. Please try after a few minutes. Those are the 3 reasons why you have error while using Capcut. These are the reference of this video from mwallpaper.com on Google search. Thank you so much to my channel members, Mirasol Idlon TV, Bert Lambojo, and Mutia Atil. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell of notification. See you next video. Bye.